Hello everyone, this is Teresa at the Teen Department, Pulaski County Public Library. Today we are looking at making your own do-it-yourself fidget spinner. So we've just made a little fidget spinner here. While we done that, we took popsicle sticks. You take 3 of those and you cut them down to the size you would need to go around your skate bearing, which is like that. And you're going to put those around that. You're going to make that where that fits. You're going to take duct tape. Once you cut those pieces out, then you're going to lay a piece of duct tape down. You're going to put duct tape around it. What they did, you can lay them flat on the duct tape and then tear some more off and put it on top. And then you can cut those out to make 3 little pieces here for your fidget spinner. And then you're going to you can take adhesive glue. It takes a little longer to dry, or the tacky glue, and glue these together. So you're going to lay it over this way, and then you're going to do this. You're going to have like over, under, like that. So you make a triangle around your skate bearing. You're going to glue those together. You're going to glue your skate bearing in there as well, and have that dry. And then when you get done with that, then you can put, these are the little washers you can put on the end to add some weight. So you're going to add some weight to it, however many you want to. These are smaller, you can get them bigger, however you want to do it, just to add some weight. Now I did 1 on either side on the ends, and then I also then put the duct tape around it, which also reinforces it a little better to hold together. As well. So this is and now it's, with it spinning, the more you do it, it should loosen up because the new bearings are kind of sticky. So once you do that and start using it, it should spin a lot better. So that's your fidget spinner. And like I said, this duct tape comes in all different colors. You could make whatever you wanted to. You can also use craft sticks for this and things like that. So that's your fidget spinner. Thank you.